Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how system assignment can be done for an employee within the employee directory of KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can click on the Quick Actions drop-down and select the Initiate System Assignment option. Then, the associate ID or the employee name for the same is to be entered. If the work mail ID and OID have not been entered for the same, that is, if the system assignment is being done for the first time, no details are autofilled here, and the OID and the work mail ID can be assigned by the HR persona here. In case the work mail ID and OID details need to be changed for an existing employee, it can be updated here as well. Once the changes are made, the system assignment is done successfully. This is how the OID and work mail ID can be assigned to any employee. Thank you for watching.